Hello, today we're going to review the organized page on AAS. Note that it follows the right page, which follows outlines. So the whole process is you build an outline, then you fill it in, working on the chapters and write, and then you use organize to get everything ready for publishing. Then you go to publishing. So looking at the organized page, you can see we've got the current project name, the size of it, parameters about that. There's organization structure changes that you can do, and that includes merging structures, delete structures, or using the Leonardo Structure Assistant, which help you do all this. Then also we've got the listing. You can see in the listing we've got different components. There's a component library we'll talk about, and then the chapter listing. The chapters and everything can be moved around by drag and drop, and then it's saved automatically. You can see up here where it's saving. You can also delete things by selecting them on the left. And then we've got different things you can do. You can change the name, you can edit them, or you can go into a particular component, choose the title for it, the type of layout, which really means number of columns, different ways you can put in the content and then preview it. So we have the component library, which contains front components like title page, copyright page, dedication, etc. Then we have back matter about the author, acknowledgments, and you know what? Some utilities for like part divider or scene break. And you can build your own components if you want to make one, and then it will put something into the organized list and it'll reside up here at the top. We can also create book covers. And you see right now you can either load a book cover or we can open the Leonardo panel, which I'm doing here. We can go to create front cover, the size of it, 8.5 by 11, I'll say, and just picking a random title. Moby Dick is the title. Subtitle will be A Big Whale. Author MKE. I'll use my full name, Martin K. Eddington. And let's say we want an angry whale. Type angry properly. And extra refinement. Let's say it is sinking a ship by battering it. And we want to refine that. So let's use brighter colors, more little imagery. And let's create a low res version of this cover. You can see it shows on the parameters at the bottom the time is elapsing as it's creating the lower res cover concept. You can see some parameters here about it. And we'll wait till it's done. And then once it's done, we can see the low res version. And if we want, we can make it high res and import it into this organized structure, which I'll show you when it's done. You can do the same thing for a back cover. It gives you the parameters for back cover, and you can put that in there too. So there's a lot of incredible things you can do here with the AI tools in the organized page. Here we have an image of what I wanted, and it looks like a big whale smashing a ship. Very good. We can expand it or we can generate the final cover and save. So it'll generate higher res as needed, and it'll save it as our cover for the book. So it's saving us a lot of time from going out and having to find a cover or get somebody to make one. And there it is. There's the front cover. It's now part of the organized set, and the book cover, you can see, is here. We can view it here. And this is just, again, just a taste for some of the things you can do with the AI tools. We can review the whole structure. We can build a new task list. Let's build a new task list. Here we're opening up the preview of that, and it's developing the task list, and it'll be here in a second. There's a list of things we can do for tasks to get ready to publish. So this is a pretty quick overview of the organized page. There's a lot of power in the things you can do. And I thought you'd just like to see this, something very powerful you can use. And this is only available in advanced mode. It doesn't, it's not active in beginner mode. Thanks for listening.